Hello. Actually, I'm going to talk about a really great product that I use. It is avocado oil by De La Cruz. This is a small jar, about 2 ounces, a little bit less, of pure avocado oil. First of all, avocados are excellent for you. They're a good source of fat. They're good for your skin. They're good for your digestion. There's a whole list of things that you can benefit from by eating avocados. Now, the oil itself is a really good moisturizer. You can actually use it from head to toe. It's a good moisturizer for dry hair, dry scalp. It's a really good moisturizer for your arms and legs, just as like a body oil. And then you can also use it on your face. Now, for those who have dry skin and need like an extra little bit of moisture, you can use avocado oil on your eczema. You can use it on your dry face. Like it goes all over. It's a really great product. This particular brand of it is in its purest form, at least that I've seen. It's pure avocado oil, and again, it's about 2 ounces of product. Now, this is a glass bottle, so you don't want to take this with you. Obviously, it's gonna break if you drop it, so you have to be very, very careful with it. Do I think that that's the most ideal packaging for a product like this? No, I don't. Only because with oil, you tend to overuse liquidy products. So I would rather it have like a little bit of more like a dropper instead of it just being in a jar. And then since it's obviously something that you're gonna use in your body, you're gonna more than likely keep it in your bathroom, in your cabinet, in your makeup bag, something like that. And so you have to be really careful, because if you drop it, again, it's a goner. So just keep in mind, this is a glass bottle, which again, I don't love, but just be very, very careful with it. I have to be very careful with it when I use it. And so on the back of it, it'll tell you the benefits. It can tell you, it'll tell you what you can use it for. So again, as I said, it's an all-over moisturizer. So you can put it in your hair no matter what kind of hair you have, whether it be natural, relaxed, colored, thick, straight, curly. You can use it all over. On your hair follicles itself and on the scalp. It's really excellent as a hair conditioner. For those who deal with dry hair or breakage. And then you can use it on your body. Now, I personally don't use this on my face because I would just be afraid that my face would have like an adverse reaction. Be very careful when you're using oils on your face, because your skin already has natural oils that it emits to keep your face moisturized. But again, as I said before, if you do deal with excess, like overly dry skin, like more dry than usual, like if you deal with eczema, alopecia, psoriasis, like things like that, then maybe you will want to give it a try. So it comes in a glass jar, and you just take the top off. Now, obviously, it is open, so you have to be very, very careful. And you can see the product in there as well. It doesn't come with a drop or anything like that. What I do is I hold it over a cotton ball and kind of tip the jar over, and I kind of use it all over, but I don't use too much of it. Now, again, for the size of the bottle, it's just not ideal. You're not going to want to use too much of it, because obviously you're gonna go through more of the product, but you can, if you want to, put it all over. So I'm just gonna kind of dip it over so you can see what it looks like. So obviously you can see it's a clear oil, no color at all, which is great. That's how you know it's 100% natural. Avocado oil shouldn't be yellow or green. That would indicate that it's been colored artificially. It should be a clear oil like this. Any essential oil, really, from like a fruit, whether it be avocado oil, grapeseed oil, anything like that, usually it doesn't have a color. So as you can see, it's clear, and I can rub it in between my hands, and it doesn't get too greasy. You can see it just kind of dissolves right in. Now, another thing about avocado oil, it has zero fragrance, which is another indication for me that it's natural. It's a natural product because it doesn't smell like anything. Avocados generally don't have a smell. So just a word of advice for those of you who are using an avocado oil product, it doesn't have a smell. It's no odor at all. So it's excellent if you're putting it in your hair and you don't really want a strong fragrance, because you're not going to smell anything at all. And that's awesome. I actually really love it because of that. It has no smell. So no color, no smell. So I rubbed it into my hands. As you can see, it just kind of dissolves. My hands do feel very soft afterwards. It doesn't look like a greasy after feeling, which I really appreciate. It feels really soft, really supple. You can see that it kind of gives me a little bit of a shine, which is nice. So this is great. Again, it's De La Cruz. They have like they carry just like plain basic oils that are made straight from the vegetable or the plant or whatever it may be. in its purest form. So it's hard to find avocado oil that hasn't been, fragranced or colored or something like that. You don't need all those things in cosmetics. I know that I don't. I love it that it's just in its natural form because it does the job by itself. So again, it's a really great product. Definitely not portable, even though it is portable in size. And just to kind of give you a good idea of how big it is, I have a lighter here, and it's no bigger than the lighter without the cap. And so it's really not that tall. But it is wide, however. I have a CD here, and as you can see, you can fill up the center part of it. So it is a rather wide bottle. It almost is like a standard pill bottle, or like a medicine bottle. But again, it's not portable. It's in a glass jar. Be very, very careful, because if you drop it, it's done. And that's a lot of product to waste, and it's a really, really great product and kind of hard to come by in this form. So I would definitely give it a try. Use it all over on your body, on your face if you'd like. Also on your hair. It's a really great moisturizer for your hair. So it's avocado oil, and it's purest form by De La Cruz. They have several other natural moisturizers that you can use, such as tea tree oil, almond oil. They have some essential oils that they carry in a really pure form. And that would be with like no color, no fragrance. So definitely give it a try. It's great. Avocado oil is great anyway for you. So this is the avocado oil by De La Cruz is the company. But I hope you found this information helpful.